no secret that the rand is buying you less and less. What used to buy you a week's worth of groceries now only buys you a couple of days worth of food. And I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but the way our current financial system is set up, these problems are only going to get worse for ordinary South Africans. It has gotten so bad that a regular 9 to 5 does not guarantee that you can live a normal life. South Africans are getting second jobs, side hustles, and doing whatever they can just to get by. And I don't know about you, but that does not sound like a life that I want to live. So how can South Africans escape their 9 to 5 and start a profitable business from day one? Well, I'm going to show you the model that does exactly that. If that sounds interesting, let's jump straight into the video. I want you to think about something for a second. There is somebody out there that has made millions, and I mean millions, selling lollipops. There's someone out there that has made millions selling pool noodles, chopsticks, doing this service, this boring business. What I'm trying to get at is what you do and what you sell is not the important thing. It's about how can you get what you sell to the person that will buy. And that is through sales funnels. So in this video, the model that I'm teaching you is how to build a sales funnel around your offer. And stick around because I'm going to be giving you a 30-day, yes, an entire month free trial on the software that we use to build R1 million sales funnels for our clients as well as our own business. Your sales funnel does not need to be complicated whatsoever. In fact, I would argue that in the beginning stages, keep your sales funnel as simple as possible. This way, you're able to get the most amount of data coming through. Now, your sales funnel only requires 4 main steps. So number 1 is you need to get the word out. So this will be your ads. This could be Meta ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, whatever ad platform you're comfortable with. I recommend Meta to begin with. So that's Facebook and Instagram. But you need a way to actually get your business in front of the correct audience. Number 2 is a landing page. You need a page that explains your offer in more detail and a way for these people to actually get in contact with you. And a landing page is the perfect thing for this. Number 3 is you need a system that's actually going to categorize and group all of your leads together. I would not recommend just doing it all on WhatsApp or spreadsheets. That's a surefire way of missing your follow-ups. So we need a system that's actually going to group everything and actually split them into the correct categories. And number 4 is you need some way of actually closing this business. If you're a service-based business, this will be a phone call, it might be a sales call. If you are an e-com business, this is going to be optimizing your actual checkout process. So now let's go in and jump in detail on how we can craft a sales funnel that can actually replace your 9 to 5. So the best way I can show you how to craft an amazing sales funnel is to show you a real life sales funnel that we have used in our own business that has made 6 figures in a singular month here in South Africa. But before I show you our sales funnel that we have ran personally, I want to give you all the tools at your disposal in order to build these R1 million sales funnels. So if you go to the description of this video and click on the link, you will see a page that looks like this. This is a 30-day, yes, an entire month free trial on the platform that we use, which is GoHighLevel or HighLevel for short. This is the platform that we use to build landing pages, to connect our ad accounts, to do all the automation that we need, and then also link things like video conferencing or cell phones so we can actually call up our leads, follow up with them. Everything that you need to build these R1 million sales funnels is all in one place. It's a complete CRM and it's the best tool that I've personally used and the one that I always recommend, not just for myself, but the things that I also use to build sales funnels for my clients. So it's completely free for 30 days. I would set a reminder for maybe day 29 for you to just assess if this is something that you want to invest in, but at least you know for an entire month out of the entire year, you have 30 days to really play around with the software, get comfortable with it, and actually see if it's worth investing for yourself. So click on it. You do have to put your contact details, you do have to put your billing information, but you will not get billed at all until that 30 days is up. So give it a try. So the first step in your sales funnel are your ads, and the ads only require a few things. You need to call out your target audience, highlight a pain point, and then show how you have a solution to that specific pain point. So in this specific funnel that we launched, we were targeting accounting practices. And our offer was essentially that we would get them qualified leads every single month. So what I actually want to do is show you one of our ads that we ran so you can get a feel of the language that we used, how we introduced the offer, and maybe just take note on what a good quality ad looks like. So let's jump into that ad and you can take notes.
If you're an accountant who owns their own practice here in South Africa, keep watching because I'm going to show you the exact system that got my client 490,000 Rand in opportunity value and 70,000 Rand per month in new business in just 15 days, all on autopilot. Now, I completely understand your frustration. You're great at what you do, but you didn't start your practice to become a full-time marketer. You already have your time spent focusing on client fulfillment, and the thought of ad campaigns, following up with leads, booking appointments, appointment setting, you simply don't have the time. However, sales and marketing are the two biggest factors when growing any business. And if it's not treated like a priority, you simply won't grow your practice. Now, at SalesFlow, we understand this, and we've created an entire system that handles everything for you. Our system finds your ideal clients, nurtures them, gets them excited to work with you, and books those prospects straight into your calendar, all before even meeting you. So, if you want a done for you system that gets you consistent clients every single month, click Learn More, take a quick 30-second quiz, and let's see if SalesFlow is the right fit for your practice.
So that was an actual ad that we ran out in the market. And as you can see for the results, we only ran this ad for about a week and a half and we got around 260 to 270 leads that were interested in our offer. We targeted those leads to step 2, which is the landing page, which looked something like this. So we said, we guarantee 50 plus qualified leads every month for your accounting practice using our AI systems. As you can see, that was our big heading. And then we gave them a call to action. We gave them a video sales letter where we explained our offer in a bit more detail. I'll just let this video play just a bit, just so you can see the quality. And then there was just some other stuff regarding like some proof that we're legit and all other things like us versus them, how does it work. But the main thing is just this page here, or this section. This is mainly where majority of your leads are going to go through. In fact, 100% of the leads that come through to your funnel will land up here. It's a small percentage that will actually keep on scrolling. But if they click on schedule demo call, they go to a qualification step. And if they qualify, they then go to book a meeting with myself or my team. Step 3 is a CRM system. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and essentially it's just a place where you can capture all your leads in one place and then take them through an entire pipeline. So as you can see, here are 270 odd opportunities that have come through, and this came through from that exact same ad. So essentially I'm just moving a card over as they go through each step of my funnel. So they submitted the landing page form, I contact them, I follow up with them. If they qualify, that's great. If I lost them, then I put them here. And these are all the ones that we actually won for that month. And essentially, the CRM is just a place for you to really manage your lead flow, right? As you can imagine, 270 leads is a crazy number in order to, WhatsApp individually or email individually. So the system kind of handles that for you. And yes, we've created automations, but it doesn't need to be that complicated because remember, I put a step where they could book a meeting with myself. So that meeting is where I do most of the selling, and that is step 4. So if I show you my calendar for that month, as you can see, there's about maybe 6 to 8 meetings that we had each and every day where I would, talk about the services, understand what their pain points are, understand if we can even, solve this issue for them. And then from there, I would pitch them the actual service, give them the quote, and then close that business on the sales call. And as you can see, it's a pure numbers game. This is over probably 100 meetings that I had that month. So for me to, have a very small close rate, I'm still getting business, right? Even if I had a 1% close rate, that's still 1 client. If I had a 5% close rate, that's 5 clients. So I do recommend in the beginning, if this is just like a first time sales funnel, do as much volume as possible, right? Really put in that work, put in that grind, because once you have a solid client base, you can then employ other tactics and other techniques. But for the purpose of this video, I just want to show you the pure raw basics of like sales and marketing 101, getting your offer out there, attracting the clients that are interested, and then closing them completely, either on a sales call or following up with them. It's a whole sales process. So I hope this video was incredibly helpful in order to understand how crafting sales funnels around a business, any business, and it really can be any business. Like I mentioned earlier, there's millionaires who sold lollipops, toothpicks, chopsticks. It doesn't matter what you sell, but if you understand sales funnels, if you understand taking an offer, showing it to the right audience, and then actually attracting that audience towards you and then closing them, you can have any business and make it profitable and successful. Especially here in South Africa, the market is has so much opportunity just because it's so untapped. So if you like this video, give it a like. If you found value in this video, give it a subscribe. If you have any questions or just comments in general, leave it in the comment section. I do my best to read all of them and reply to as many as I can. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.